Got an SCW file from a document exchange? This is an Apache OpenOffice Writer document, word processing content from the leading free Office alternative. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and convert this document. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium SCW file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. SCW files are word processing document files associated with Apache OpenOffice Writer containing formatted text, document layouts, embedded images, tables, and styles. They store text document content created in OpenOffice's Word processing application for cross-platform document editing and sharing. OpenOffice SCW document files use OpenDocument-compatible XML formatting stored in a compressed package. The format contains content styles, metadata, and embedded objects following Open Document standards for interoperable word processing across different Office Suite applications. The best utility for reliable viewing of SCW is known to be Apache OpenOffice Writer by Apache Software Foundation. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows may provide a preview pane, but proper editing requires the intended document application. To unlock the specific SCW file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Apache OpenOffice Writer is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If the SCW file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your SCW file is not opening. First, opening in LibreOffice. Open the SCW file in LibreOffice Writer using File, then Open. The document displays with all text formatting tables, images, and page layout preserved. LibreOffice maintains full compatibility with Apache. OpenOffice document formats for seamless editing and document exchange. Next, converting to DocX. In LibreOffice, writers save the document as Microsoft Word DocX format using File, then Save As, and selecting the Word format. This enables sharing with Microsoft Office users while preserving most formatting elements. Review the converted document to verify tables, images, and special formatting translated correctly. Finally, exporting to PDF. Generate a PDF copy using File, then Export as PDF in LibreOffice Writer. Configure PDF options including image quality security settings and bookmark generation. PDF format ensures the document displays identically on any device regardless of installed fonts or Office software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.